From Rio 1992 to Rio+20, 2 decades of global environmental initiatives, this video explores the two Rio Summits held in 1992 and 2012. It examines the key discussions, outcomes, and challenges over the past 2 decades. The first Rio Summit was held in 1992, named as Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The second Rio Summit was held in 2012, named as Rio+20, UN Conference on Sustainable Development. The 1992 Earth Summit was a crucial event that brought nations together to address global environmental challenges. Key outcomes included Agenda 21, a blueprint for sustainable development, and the Rio Declaration, which outlined principles for environmental protection and development. Additionally, the summit led to the creation of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, and the Convention on Biological Diversity. These agreements aim to address climate change and biodiversity loss, respectively. The Rio+20 conference aimed to renew global commitments to sustainability. Key outcomes included the Future We Want, a document outlining sustainability goals, the promotion of a green economy to balance environmental and economic considerations, the adoption of sustainable development goals for global progress, and a focus on financing and partnerships to address funding gaps for sustainable initiatives. The Earth Summits, held in 1992 and 2012, marked significant milestones in global environmental efforts. The 1992 summit laid the groundwork for sustainable development with Agenda 21 and established the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. The 2012 Rio+20 conference renewed these commitments, emphasizing a green economy approach and adopting the Sustainable Development Goals. It also highlighted the urgency of addressing climate change, leading to the Paris Agreement. Both summits underscored the importance of global cooperation and strengthened partnerships between governments, businesses, and civil society. The implementation of global sustainability goals has faced several challenges. One major issue is the lack of binding agreements and enforcement mechanisms, making it difficult to hold countries accountable for their commitments. Additionally, there are often insufficient financial resources to support ambitious sustainability projects. Finally, progress on achieving goals like those outlined in Agenda 21 has been slow, hindering the overall advancement of sustainable development. The Rio Summits have had a significant impact on the global environmental movement. Key takeaways include increased global awareness of environmental issues, the development of sustainable frameworks like Agenda 21, the need for enforceable actions to address these issues, and the importance of establishing funding mechanisms to support sustainability initiatives. The path towards a sustainable future requires several key steps. Firstly, strengthening existing frameworks like the Paris Agreement and other global commitments is crucial. Secondly, integrating sustainable development into policy making at all levels is essential. Lastly, fostering public-private partnerships is vital for effective implementation of sustainable initiatives.